While the rescue force patrols the city, we'll take care of watching over the museum in the bots.
It wouldn't be a good idea for the villains to try and steal the Cabonito with us waiting inside.
We've run out of money. We'll have to steal that diamond and sell it. Otherwise, we'll have to do our experiments with soda pop.
How are we going to get the bots inside?
It's all taken care of. Where did you say that came from?
These two priceless sculptures come from the Duckwater Museum in Splash City.
Okay, come in.
And now what do we do?
Ha-ha! What, do you think we're idiots?
The Duckwater Museum?
Go to plan B. Run! Mega, hand over the diamond to Professor K and I'll take care of the others. Oh, come on. I can take you both on. It's so cool, right, Enigma? Now come on, just you and me.
But you're over there, I'm not right here, and here is...
I hope you fight better than you talk.
Pass it to me! Pass it to me! Come on, little diamond! Come to Papa! Ooh, Darn it, no!
As soon as he heard Professor K shouting, Kid Fury fled the museum with Fury Storm.
It's a shame about the diamond.
The diamond? Relax, in the end we didn't lose it. It was this little friend here who was looking after it. He saved the day.
Super things! New Superbots have arrived in Kaboom City. Enigma gets ready to face Mega K. The battle begins, now with more powerful weapons. I win, Mega K! Super things Superbots from Magic Box.
Don't forget to add a like
and subscribe to our channel.